Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be talking about the 5 cleanest cities in the world. First on our list is Singapore, known for its strict cleanliness regulations and spotless streets. Next is Copenhagen, where the city's commitment to sustainability and green initiatives make it one of the cleanest cities in Europe. Moving on to Zurich, Switzerland, where the city's efficient waste management and recycling programs contribute to its cleanliness. Melbourne, Australia is also recognized for its cleanliness, with well-maintained public spaces and a strong focus on waste reduction. And finally, we have Calgary, Canada, with its vast parklands and proactive efforts to preserve its natural beauty. These cities serve as great examples of what can be achieved through effective urban planning and citizen participation. Cleanliness not only enhances the overall quality of life, but also contributes to a healthier and more sustainable environment. Singapore, in particular, has dedicated significant resources to ensure cleanliness, with fines for littering and spitting. In Copenhagen, residents are encouraged to use bicycles and public transportation to reduce emissions and air pollution. Zurich's waste-to-energy systems play a pivotal role in managing waste effectively while minimizing environmental impact.